Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Now, Maxine came out and she's defending Marcia. She's saying, how long is it going to take for, them to stop? She's saying that 360 is coming out and basically bullying Marcia. And Marcia needs to she needs to take a stand to this and not just go tit for tat with him, for tit for tat with him. She needs to take a stand and to do something about it. She said this is why she had called out, for help before, because she was going through the same thing with those people as well. And now it is Marcia. She's also explaining that cyberbullying is an extremely dangerous thing, as people can plot against you and do it in the physical, do something to you physically. So she's saying that basically this needs to stop. The cyberbullying needs to stop, as it is not a good thing. So guys, go and listen to Maxine. She's defending Marcia and hear what she has to say about Ashanti and, the message that she has to send to Marcia. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And guys, have yourselves a wonderful day.
But listen, and listen well. This is an outright threat to Marcia. You had done it already with myself, but you will soon find out the consequence. You deleted your video. This one, I don't care if you delete it, me have it. You understand? It is so illegal. I mean, what's up with Ashanti? What's up with Ashanti? Is Ashanti going crazy? You're using your cuss to cuss people. You're using your cuss to cuss people how homeless they are, how naked they are. Ashanti, you're naked like a bud. You don't got not even underwear you don't have to wear, Ashanti, because you're wearing my daughter's underwear. You still is. You're still wearing her clothes. I caught you in there 2 weeks ago on your live at the airport. You were in my daughter's pants. But how you go cuss Marcia? How you go cuss Marcia? You can't cuss Marcia when it comes to nakedness, homelessness, and all of them something there. Ashanti, you don't have dollar to your name. You ain't got a dollar to your name. You're not in your house. You are not in your house. You're in a Janet house by default. Because I don't know if Janet can even get you out of there. I don't know. How you gonna cuss Marcia? Like, really? Marcia, there's no time to tit-to-tat with Ashanti. There's no time for tit-to-tat with Ashanti. This is serious, serious thing. I know this was going to get very serious very fast, Yeah, man. When Ashanti and Lauren and the whole of them sit down upon the poor little Bella name. Oh, yes, sit down upon my grandpitney them name, sit down upon... You never know, say when go come back to phone up in them. These are which part me when they ask for help. Me need help. Me need everybody help to stop these people from landlord go straight round. I needed help to stop these people. No, everybody laugh. Everybody laugh. Is it gonna even stop now? Is it gonna even stop now? Does somebody have to do something like the guy in Trinidad? New York, how much people already gone for this cyberbullying thing? How much people already gone because of cyberbullying? You don't have no stop, they stop. When I look and I see every minute, look, people, when me talk to no, listen to me now. Look if pretty soon Derek now go find himself either in a Canada or somewhere because they're gonna grant him asylum. Look. All of this publicity about, oh, people that travel Derek, every minute he run Ghana 99. Look and see. Look and see. All of a sudden, he can come out control and say my Batman. He never could come out control and say my Batman before. Look and see if no asylum in the seek. You know, look and see if no asylum they go happen. Look. Because when I talk to you, no, don't listen to me. No, Ashanti is going crazy. He lose it, he gone. He been gone from man and it worse now. Because he can't stay put in a Janet house, you know. He can't stay put in there. If you notice, he can't even show inside the house anymore. He can't. Because the minute he do that, my God, it look like Ashanti start to take crack all over again. And all of these people were sitting down behind him. But look how much of them get hurt already. Look how much of them get hurt already. You think the guy will get dead in a Trinidad that is just an accident? It's not an accident. The woman in New York, why in the club where they bashing, where they do are, it's not just an accident. These are coming from cyberbullying. These are coming from these people who think they can bully people. From when me the beg little help say people, I only need certain things to just put them away. Put all of them away. Because they all need to go somewhere. All of them need to go somewhere. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. These people are disgusting. Simpson and terrible. You know terrible? Me come out and me put out the video with Dana and whatever I name. Walla Bonko, whatever I name. I don't remember what I name right now. But I put out the video and I'm showing all of you guys, listen to this man. Listen to him. Me not stress say listen to Dana. Everybody turn it all they want fit honey. Like me the pandana, like me sit on pandana draw scratches. No, I don't sit on pandana draw scratches. I was talking about Willy Wonka. I hear many talk about. And how we put Dana in a certain position where Dana have to admit a lie that he said. And everybody want to put it for them own way and turn it how them want to turn it. I really want to come in the talk. Me need to talk nobody else. Me see people come out and do the same live. All sort of people come out and rebunk the live. And I don't see nobody under them page that beat them down. But no. You don't think you can beat down me. No, you can't. No, you can't. No, listen to Ashanti that threatened Marcia. He did it with me already, you know. Talk how he drive by the house and in this and in that. Yes, he did. I have it all on tape. I have it all on tape. This is a live that he did last night. He's going to put a bullet in Marcia's head. And in there, which part bullet there. And in there, we're gun legal. And all of that something that, like really? Like really now? And all of these big old woman, Pearline Jackson, whatever she name. Like, I don't know what Marcia did to Pearline. Me don't know what Marcia do Pearline. Me don't know who named Pearline. But me say, when me watch her comments them and something, it's all about Marcia. Why you guys so bad mind and grateful? Why you guys so bad mind and grateful and tan bad? Cause number one, Dana shouldn't even be able to exchange a word to Marcia. Should not even be able because Marcia met Dana no hotel. And Marcia met Dana no manicure and pedicure. Marcia make she know it. Marcia make she know say woman can't take their money and go in a hotel go sit down. Nobody know if you spend no money on you. You can't take your own money. Marcia make Dana shit and piss. Like myself. You understand? So how the hell Marcia don't bad mind Dana? How? Then say you have to be careful who you give your money to. You have to be careful what you do. You have to be careful. Because mighty God, this have to be a sign. This have to be a sign. How can people be well off in America, well off that they can donate to you, give you stuff, make you shit and piss, make you breathe? But yet for all, them are the stagnant one, them come stagnant, them not have nothing. How? How does that happen? How? How does that happen? I'm not afraid of nobody. Not even one somebody I'm not afraid of. God I'm my only fear. My only fear. I'm not afraid of no one. So nobody ever can do nothing to scare me. I'm just not in the position to do certain things, but it will take place. It will take place. But when I listened to this last night, every bone in my body crack up. Like Ashanti sit down on in live and they threaten Marcia. How we go shoot Marcia in her head. Listen to how Ashanti they threaten Marcia. Over something what an Ashanti business. And Ashanti business, you know. You know, have nothing to do with Ashanti and Ashanti business. The woman they about him business, they do what they do. Ashanti just sit down pa Marcia draw scratches. Just sit down pa Marcia draw scratches, so. Me not play games, you know. Me not play games, you know. That's why when you see me come out here, you know, you hear me hope in my mouth, you know. Me not have nothing for retract. Me not make no joke with nobody. Anything what me say, I see him so it go. Me not mix business with pleasure. Too much joking they go on here now. Too much joking they go on here now. Me not in a no joke. Me not in a no joke with nobody. Listen how Ashanti they threaten Marcia.
I'm going to buy my gun. I'm the ambitious when I buy my gun. It has space. So if you think you have a further one, it's 4 years to drive.
Me not look pan none of them. Me not look pan no Simpson. I'm not looking at none of them. None of them. This is serious now, okay? This is serious now. Somebody who have money have to step up. If you know have to help me, or if you know have to help somebody else, somebody who have money have to step up. Have to step up. Then I send them out. Then I send them out. Literally send them out. Literally send them out. Because she can't come out, can't tell everybody say, if you no call her name, no call her name. Ashanti and the people, them and 13 and the whole of them call her name every fucking day. Then I couldn't come out, can't tell me say no one thing name, me no mix up. Can't tell me say if you no call her name. But my God almighty, man. Every day they go answer 3, 4, 5 times a day. Like constantly they go on. Alright, you see after tomorrow, you know now go see nothing much, you know, because say no paycheck now. Not more than add on to the paycheck for the 22nd, you know. Not more than add on to the paycheck for the 22nd. It cut off from tomorrow. Right? It cut off from tomorrow. And I mostly live in do, you know, really do video and put up. No money no really depend the live like that. You understand? The boy have to go to jail. Me I tell you, say have to go to jail. If me have to commit a crime, fi make them lock up Ashanti, I swear God to no man. You think I joke me I make? Me say, if me have to cut off my nose to spite my face, Ashanti they go to jail. And me not in a non joke. No joke me not in about it. So me not care who want to say, oh, a long time this, a long time. That's okay. The time soon come. And the same day leave drop of water bottom it rotten. Not the same day. Ashanti do the same threatening with me. Or in drive by my daughter yard. Boom, 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 zim, zimmer. And in go on with himself. Put your ass back round there. Drive back on the road. The road about that to field road where Janet live. Drive back on there. Make a camera catch you on there. Cause you're a bad boy. Make no family member, no friends see your dirty nasty face on the street. Cause you're bad. You're bad. This is Ashanti staying up put a bullet in a Marcia head. People. This is no fucking joke. This is not a joke. This is not a joke.
I'm going to buy my gun. I'm the ambitious and I buy my gun. In our state. So if you think you have a Florida one, it's 4 years drive. I'm going to take a pussy like a then I'm ask you. Any day you take your thumb, your foot out of the road, you're going to sit over. One in a day. So we do to me and my son and my grandbaby. One in a head? This is I'm going to take off me and my license when I come to. I have to defend myself against you or anybody who I call my phone 24/7. And threaten me.
Marcia, you need to get in touch with me. You need to get in touch with me because him and my daughter, a neighbor, are the same precinct we use. The same precinct. They need to go around there, go find out if he has a gun there. That's number one. He's going to lose that license like immediately.